Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most powerful tools for YouTubers, which is vidIQ. If you are a new creator or even a experienced one, vidIQ can help you grow faster. And the best part is many of its features are completely free. So in this video, I will explain what vidIQ is and walk you through all the free tools you can start using it right now. So just hit vidiq.com, click sign up for free if you are signing up first time, and if you sign up before, just simply click on sign in. On the left hand side you will see the install extension. If you are using Chrome browser, you can just simply click install extension and this will install the extension into your Chrome browser. So here it shows me my subscribers and my views. Below that you will see 4 new insights for you. If we click on it, so here it will suggest us something, add missing tags. If we go next, also the tags are missing. So it will show you the videos on your YouTube, tags are missing or any metadata is missing. These suggestions are free. You can generate the tags and simply place the tags from the YouTube Studio or just simply click on publish tags. As far as its free features are concerned, I'm just going to show you a couple of features which are free. So at number 1 is keyword research. You can search for keywords and see the search volume, competition score and related keywords. The free variant gives you enough data to find good topics for your videos. So as you can see here, once I move to the keyword section, the keywords which recently people searched and get into my channel or YouTube showed them my video. So the top search terms for your channel, as you can see, these are the recent terms which people search and they come up to my video or YouTube recommend them. If you tap on top keyword opportunities, so here it will give you the top 3 keywords which are the most powerful on your channel. People are searching this and YouTube is recommending your videos. You tap on top search terms for your channel, so here is the top search. And at number last but not least is rising keywords. If we click on rising keywords, you will see the overall keywords of YouTube which are rising right now. So now let's take another look on Optimize, what we can do in Optimize. As soon you click on Optimize, you will see all channel videos and shorts as well. Under the Optimize, you will see basically here the vidIQ is suggesting you what are the deficiencies in your video and what are the parts which you can improve. So here as you can see, my title score is 73, my thumbnail score is 63. In the second video, the title score is 65 but thumbnail score is 55. So these are the couple of features which I showed you. These are free, which is keywords and Optimize. Let me know in comment section, shall I buy the subscription and show you guys with the advanced feature or no. That's it for today's short tutorial. See you in the next one.